All that you be dancing and twerking, all that you be doing. Sit down. I got this on lock. What's going on YouTube, man? This your boy Over Chat, man. Back here with a whole nother video. So today, hey, I don't know if y'all seen the thumbnail, bro. I got a new truck today. Shout out to TJ Customs right here, bro, for helping me out, man. Helping me out with this new build. So what we about to do is, y'all like this video, make sure you watch the whole video through, bro, for real, bro, because we about to get ready to go to the back right now and show y'all the new build, man. And I mean, look, I'm dead serious, bro. So look, TJ Customs, bro, y'all check them out on Instagram and all that, bro. Y'all keep showing love. I hope y'all like the new build. Let's get it. So where do I need to sound it on here?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah. There's the keys.
Man, I'm ready to check this mug out. I hope y'all ready for this, bro. Shout out to TJ Customs for real. About to get to go out here. New build. New Sema build on the way, bro. Like I told y'all. Y'all been saying about the 04 cow. You know what I'm saying? Talk about the cow. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all ready. Told y'all, man, I got my dream truck, bro. Hard work pay off. Everybody kept saying I was capping, bro. And you know what? It's cool. It's cool that y'all was saying that. But as y'all can see right here, bro, I got the new wheel. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got the new whip. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out for a little tour in the whip. And let's get to it, bro, for real. Ain't no capping around here, bro. I'm about to have a time getting up in my new wheel, you know what I'm saying? Everybody thought I was capping, bro, but we really here. We really here for real, so man, get to it, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm sitting high now. Truck level, I'm in a level truck now, so yeah. And bro, yeah, I'm trying to tell y'all, man, y'all keep working hard, bro. This could be y'all. This can be y'all, bro. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to set good examples, bro. And for real, like, y'all kept saying I was capping, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, this mug is kind of heavy when you turn it a little bit, but it's all good in the hood. Y'all see it though. I got the star lights in here, man. I got the whole half moon roof. You know what I'm saying? The half moon roof in this mug. The half moon roof, bro. Nah, it's the moon roof. It ain't no half moon roof, man. See, look, we don't do that half moon roof, bro. We got the full roof, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can drop the whole top on this mug. For real. But you know what I'm saying? Everybody, you know what I'm saying? They be hating. Look how high we sit. Look how high we sit, man. I'm really out here taking off on y'all. Really out here taking off. Got here, I'm pushing this mug, bro. Oh, man. For real. I'm really out here. I'm coming for Gabriel. Got that in the bag. I'm coming for Stunt 94. Man, go ahead and sit down, bro. Sit down. You know, you already know that I got this on lock, Stunt. You already know this, Stunt. Gabriel. I'ma drag you. I'ma race you. I'm out here doing this, bro. Omar St. Cloud. Bro, you short as fuck. Sit the fuck down, bro. I'm killing it. Justine, CLT Auto Model. Let me tell you something. CLT Auto Model. All that all that you be dancing and twerking, all that you be doing. Sit down. I got this on lock. So hey y'all. Anyways, look, I'm playing with y'all. Look, TLT Mall, whatever your name is, Justine, woo, Omar, all y'all. Hey, all up, bro, all up. 794, all up. But anyway, like I said, the new build. Guess what? Cow, man, look, I'm capping, y'all. Look, I'm capping. This ain't my truck. I already know in the comments, y'all probably saying, if you ain't watched the whole video through to see this, then you're dumb. You're dumb because you didn't see the part of where I said I'm capping. But anyway, let's gonna get to it. Shout out my boy Doc Morris right here, bro, with the clean bill. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, we about to go ahead and get to it. And man, ask him, man, you know, all about the truck. And y'all, also, if you got a truck, pull up, man. Look, pull up, bro. Pull up, bro, to the 04 Track Show. Cause, bro, for real, it's really lit. It's really lit. We don't. Now look, the 04 Track Show now. We don't do no capping now. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we gotta get to it. So, bro, look at these wheels. Get in here. Get in here. Look at these wheels. They ain't gotta spin. These wheels ain't gotta spin. 48s. 48s. Nah, what size it is, bro?
42s.
42s, bro. 42s on the 42s American Forces, bro. I don't know what size tires is.
42-inch tires.
Oh, my bad. But anyway, we're gonna keep going. What size the rims?
28 by 16.
28, he said that, y'all, my bad. 28 by 16. Hey, these more heavy, bro, probably about 300 pounds of tire. But anyway, we're gonna get to it. As I can see, man, it's a 6.7 liter, man, power stroke. Look, I'm trying to tell you. Omar, Stunt 94. Stunt 94, matter of fact. Stunt 94, you the dude. You? Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that Stunt 94. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, I'm playing with you, Stunt. You my boy, though. As I can see right here. My boy got the, hey, man, so tell him about this whole back suspension right here. Look.
So it's got bags and it raises up and down the bags. It's got everything, powder coated axles, knee springs, everything.
Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. And then we get right here, bro. Man, check it out, bro. What the wet sound tins, bro. Like this stuff is going stupid right here. Then you know what I'm saying? You got the step. Now, just think you might need a step right here. So you know what I'm saying? When you step up, you can show your little butt a little bit. Nah, I'm playing. Anyway, look, bro, it's all up. Anyway, bro, you know what I'm saying? The wet sound tins, bro. So, man, look, you going stupid, man. Saying everything. We saw that. Anyway, we're gonna check out to the inside real quick. Jeez, bro. Jeez. Cow. Huh? Cow, bro. I like that, bro. I'm about to start saying the air video. Hold on. Let me see something. No, keep recording. Let me see something. Dang. Bro, $10,000 just hit my account. I'm capping. $10,000 hit my account. I'm capping. Since I want to keep saying that, I'm going to just keep doing cap shit. Anyway, as I can see, man, this is my boy Bill, man. He taking off. We had a little video going on. Y'all kept saying I was capping. But what I'm about to do is, here, what y'all, I gotta show y'all something, bro. Y'all would not believe this. I gotta show y'all something. Come look at this. I gotta show y'all something. Oh my goodness. Y'all would not believe this, but I'm about to show y'all. Y'all get the fuck out of here. Alright, y'all, I'm playing, bro. But anyways, man, look, y'all keep liking, subscribing, man. I hope y'all love this video. You know what I'm saying? My boy Doc Morris. You know what I'm saying, bro? Y'all follow my Instagram, Doc Morris 05. Show love. This 04 track game, man, with the